common data challenges in an organization. Hello everyone, my name is Isha Taneja and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Complere Infosystem. In this video, we will discuss about the common data challenges of an organization. This is a part 1 out of 3. So second and third data challenge you will see in the subsequent videos. So let's discuss. The first data challenge is in your organization you have an incomplete data, stale data that is spread across multiple systems. You might be using different systems or products for storing different kind of data. And on the top of it, if you want to do the reporting, it is very difficult to do it because you don't have a full set of data in your organization. In order to solve this problem, you can actually integrate the systems and you can build one data warehouse. On the top of it, you can do the reporting and you can do the analysis. This way you will have a complete data and you can also understand your data from different systems. How you like this video? If you like this video, please comment in the below section and we will see you in the part 2 of the data challenge. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you next week.